We're joined once again this morning by Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we are making something else, right? Another pumpkin walnut bread is what we're making today. So tell us how we get started.
All right, we've got a theme going here with pumpkin here for Thanksgiving in November.
Right.
You are going to do the liquid ingredients for us. So I've got 2 eggs in here. I have our 1 cup of pumpkin. You're going to add the vegetable oil to it. And the vegetable oil, the only ingredient in there is our soybeans.
Oh,
and
wow.
then you have 1/4 cup, or I think that is maybe that's 1/3.
It's a fourth.
Okay, of our vanilla soy milk.
Okay.
And then some additional vanilla for lots of flavor.
I'm also seeing lots of soy, right?
Yes, that's right. So you mix that. You're going to add the sugar, and I'm going to start mixing this together. So we have our sugar, we've got our flour in there, and then in here we have some spices. I love that we can use a pumpkin pie spice and really not have to use all the different spices and buy them at the store. It makes it easy for consumers. And we also have our baking soda in there. I've toasted these walnuts. That's going to give it a lot of flavor. And I like to put that in there now because that will separate them with the dry ingredients. Hey, Jared, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay. I just wanted to go over there in case that it splattered. It wouldn't get on you. It would get on Raina.
Oh, my goodness. You're very thoughtful, kind of. All right, is it ready?
It's probably as close as it's going to get right now.
It's perfect.
Okay.
So we'll add that in there to it.
Okay.
Perfect. Well, look at you, and I'll help you get it out of there.
Okay.
Great.
Ooh, smells so good. I can
really
smell
does.
like the cinnamon.
And when this
pumpkin.
is baking, your whole house will just smell like the fall and holidays coming up.
You don't even need
Charlene,
a candle. Just start
get
baking.
that. We don't waste.
We don't waste.
Thank
That's
you.
right. Very good. Then we just want to stir this until it's all mixed up. And when it's all mixed up, then we're going to put this in a greased pan there. You've got that, a loaf pan.
Yeah.
And it's going
Thank
to
you,
actually bake at 350 degrees for about 55 to 65 minutes.
Okay.
Use a wooden pick. To
Okay.
make sure that it's done.
Yep.
And then, it has a cup of those walnuts in it. So look there. Every bite is going to have wonderful flavor with those walnuts. You'll get about 12 different slices.
So
in
when
there.
did we put the walnuts in?
We
already did.
You did?
While
Oh,
you
I
were
missed
walking,
that.
while you were walking around, we put them in
You tell
there.
them, Charlene.
Oh, I
Yeah.
see them now. Okay.
Yeah. We have 1 whole cup of walnuts in there. We'll stir that up so you can see them.
I see them.
Yeah, there you go.
Got it.
All the pumpkin recipes, because we did pumpkin
Yep.
biscuits this morning, is at our website, kansassoybeans.org. Call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll be doing a wonderful molasses cake at noon today.
All right. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you, Miss Charlene. All right. Stay with us. We're back right after this.